y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 131 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling, and it is by Sarah Young. And guys, I'm telling you, it is absolutely fantastic. It is such a good devotional. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check those out, there is a playlist in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 131. Before we get started, I actually meant to say, now I did not upload I actually meant to tell you guys this in a couple of devotionals back, but I did not upload a video on Monday. No. Was it Monday? Guys, I can't remember, but I know there was one day this week that I did not upload, and it was only because it was our first day here in Florida, and so I wanted to spend the time with the ladies that I was with. We all went down to the beach, hung out all day, and so I didn't record anything for y'all, but that's the only reason that I didn't have a video up that day. So that's all I was trying to tell you. All right, let's get right into this. Okay, number 131. Do not resist or run from the difficulties in your life. These problems are not random mistakes. They are hand-tailored blessings designed for your benefit and growth. Embrace all circumstances that I allow in your life, trusting me to bring good out of them. View problems as opportunities to rely more fully on me. Man. When you start to feel stressed, let those feelings alert you to your need for me. Thus, your needs become doorways to deep dependence on me and increasing intimacy between us. Although self-sufficiency is acclaimed in the world, reliance on me produces abundant living in my kingdom. Thank me for the difficulties in your life, since they provide protection from the adultery of self-reliance. Man. Do not resist or run from the difficulties in your life. These problems are not random mistakes. They are hand-tailored blessings designed for your benefit and growth. View problems as opportunities to rely more fully on me. Man. So good. You know I always go back to this, but honestly, what am I trying to say? I always go back to the tornado or when my son passed away, but those two things are major, and they really are truly the worst things that have ever happened to me. So that's what my mind goes to when I think of circumstances and whatnot. And I know that tornado was not a mistake. That was not random. That didn't just happen. I truly believe that tornado happened. And then I started these devotionals within weeks of the tornado. And I truly 100% believe that God was preparing my heart for what was about to happen. For the fact that my son was going to pass away, and he knew that. God knew that. I didn't, but God did. I truly believe that he used those things to prepare me for what was about to happen. With the tornado especially, I had no choice but to rely on God. I didn't know what had just happened or what we were supposed to do about it. Where are we going to live? I mean, it was just like, oh my goodness, what just happened? And God knew that I was going to need a very, very strong, solid foundation of faith and trust to make it through my son passing away. Because my first instinct was to be angry with God. And I mean angry. How could you let this happen? Why did you let this happen? But God just loved me even more. He assured me that he didn't take my son, but he received him. I have peace with that. And I truly believe that that's what the Lord was doing. He was preparing my heart. So sometimes the difficulties and the problems in your life are not problems at all. They're actually blessings. You just have to see them through God's perspective. So good. All right, let's do the verses. And by the way, if you kind of can hear talking or a little cackling going on in the background, there are 8 women in this condo. So it's just part of it. You know what I mean? It's part of it. So just enjoy is all I can say. All right, let's do the verses. I am the vine, you are the branches. If a man remains in me and I in him, he will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. John 15:5. We do not want you to be uninformed, brothers, about the hardships we suffered in the province of Asia. We were under great pressure, far beyond our ability to endure, so that we despaired even of life. Indeed, in our hearts, we felt the sentence of death. But this happened that we might not rely on ourselves, but on God, who raises the dead. 2 Corinthians 1:8-9. Always giving thanks to God the Father for everything, in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Ephesians 5:20. Man, so good. Do not resist or run from the difficulties in your life. These problems are not random mistakes. They are hand-tailored blessings designed for your benefit and growth. If we could just see our problems through God's eyes, man, so good. Thank me for the difficulties in your life, since they provide protection from the adultery of self-reliance. Do not rely on yourself. If you're relying on yourself to make it in this world, it's going to be a very hard sentence for you. If you just rely on God, trust in God, give your worries, give your cares to the Lord. There's a song, cast your cares upon the Lord, for he cares for you. I believe it's actually a Bible verse, but anyways, life is so much better. Doesn't mean that you're not going to have problems or difficulties, but you can make them through it. You can absolutely get through anything with God. Believe me, I've been there. I promise you that. So good. So good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.